This is Oshini from Cheenta.com. I am actually quite excited to announce that the test version of our software is out now. So some of you, the internal students of Cheenta, will be invited to actually check this one out and try it on your own. What this software does is actually very simple. If you are attending the Math Olympiad, the Physics Olympiad, the Computer Science Olympiad programs at Cheenta, or the ISI-CMI Entrances program at Cheenta, then you already know that problems, non-routine, beautiful problems, are at the very center of what we do. Our entire academic curriculum is actually based on problem solving. We believe that unless you are able to solve interesting problems, you are not really doing mathematics or physics or computer science. Keeping that view in mind, we developed this system where you can just simply log in and pursue a particular goal. It could be Math Olympiad, American Math Competition, ISI-CMI. It could be Physics Olympiad, Computer Science Olympiad. You log into the system, you choose a goal, and then you just start solving problems. Now these problems are really interesting. They are developed over a large amount of time, and we also provide a little bit of hints as you solve the problems. Most importantly, the software learns how you are solving these problems. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? And then it adapts to your abilities. That's the fun part. It gives you problems that helps you to proceed and learn more. So a lot of work has gone into the system, but let's solve a problem from here. ABCD is a rectangle and the area of the rectangle is 80. Given that E and F are the midpoints of CD and BC, we want to find out the area of triangle AEF. So let's try to do this. We have a rectangle like this, whose area is given to be 80. The name of the rectangle is ABCD. And we have two midpoints, E and F. E is the midpoint of CD and F is the midpoint of BC. We join AE, AF and EF. We want to find out the area of this triangle AEF. That's our goal. So how do we do this? It's actually not very complicated. See, let's suppose DE is small x, then C is also small x. Let's say FCF is y and BF is y, because these are the midpoints. So if E is the midpoint, DE and CE should be of equal length. Similarly, CF and BF should be of equal length. Now you can easily see that the side CD is 2x and the side BC is 2y. So the area of the rectangle is 2x times 2y or 4xy, which is obviously equal to 80. Which basically means that xy is 20, right? So now we can easily do this problem. Why? Okay, first note is that AD is 2y and AB is 2x. After all, it's a rectangle, so opposite sides will be equal. So 2x, what is the area of this triangle? It is half times 2x times y, or xy. But we know xy is 20, so this is 20. Similarly, this is 10, which is half of xy. And this is also xy, so that's 20. So we have 20, 10, 20, total 50. Now the entire rectangle is 80, so the remaining part must be 30, right? It must be 30. It's quite simple, but you have to carefully arrange the problem so that you see exactly what's going on. So the answer to this question is 30. Now let's go back to the software and let's plug in 30. And let me just go ahead and also check the hint. So the hint actually tells you something about the picture, and some of the problems have quite elaborate hints with diagrams. Some of them actually tell you just a bit of nuggets of this entire story, not the entire picture or anything. Okay, so it's 30, and I see that I have spent 1076 seconds on this problem. So, well, the software actually notes all of these things, how much time I have taken, whether I have actually seen this hint or not. All these data is used to understand and adapt the system with the user. Okay, so let's click on go, and yeah, it's correct. So it's +9, and I can then check out the solution if I want. It's here. So that's the beauty of this system, that it keeps on throwing new problems and it lets you learn through problem solving. I hope you will enjoy this process as well. If you want to test this software out, put a comment in the comment section. Internal students are given preference. Of course, we are not yet giving the access to all students because it's still in the testing phase, but some of you will get access, and eventually all of you will get access. Thank you for joining in today. I'm very happy to share a brief view of how our learning software is working. I'll see you in the next video. Keep on doing great mathematics. Take care.